So what I'm about to do is quite a strange thing really. If you look online, to keep this page on the screen, it is not an easy task, and a lot of if you go to Stack Overflow or anywhere else like that for some help groups, they tend to teach it you in JavaScript, but I'm going to do it in plain PHP, which is a little bit different. So I'm going to nip over to Setup. Now, got my title homepage. Actually, I'm going to delete that at the moment, and I'm just going to separate my PHP statements by a few lines. So try to follow along what I'm doing. It's not terribly easy. I'm going to start off by saying if, and in those brackets I'm going to test whether these two things have got information in them, and if they have, and I've just opened a curly brace, if they have, I'm going to do something here. In fact, if I set the title to equal to posting, there we go, it's going to post information. So really what I need here is my populate.php file. Okay, so that should go into here. So if everything's okay, if both of these are fine, then I'm going to post the database. Otherwise, so else, and then open up the two brackets. All I want to do is display the home page. So my title in here is going to be home page. So I've got a choice of two titles. Either I'm posting information or I'm going to see the home page. Now at the moment this is not going to work because I haven't got anything inside here. I'm going to use a command called isSet. isSet. Now what happens is when I click post, it sets the name to Billy, and I'm going to check if that has been set now. So if isSet underscore post, all capitals, and then in square brackets person. So if the person has been set, and at the end of that I need to do the same for the comment. So I'm going to say this is called a logical and. We haven't covered it yet, but you'll need to know it for your exams and everything else like that, so it will come in useful at some time. And if it is set underscore post, and in there comment. So in other words, if there are values in both of these, it's going to check here whether it's working. If it is, it's going to say it's going to post, or it's going to say the home page. Now, as I haven't put all of the populate.php, that's not actually going to put anything in there, but we can have a look at this working now. Oh, one further thing, going back to index.php, this time I am not going to send my page to populate.php. I'm going to send it back to the same page, index.php, because this setup will be on there. That's a very important change. So at the moment nothing will be added to the database, but maybe we can test that it works. So if I click on post, it's telling me that it's posting, okay, because it's set. If I click on view and then go back to home, it tells me it's the home page. So that seems to be working at the moment. Don't expect you to understand why, but just follow along. Like I said, this is just an extension task for you if you want to keep the same page when you're posting stuff. So I'm going to leave it in this video at that one. In the next video I'm going to replace all of this populate.php, but I'm also going to add some conditions here because I want to know if we've sent person, it's still going to accept the fact that it's blank, and I want to check to see if there's actually been a name added in either one of these before I go anywhere. So that's in the next video.